Hello! Today is Monday, the 17th of March. It's day 15 of my trip and I am still in Angers. Today is all about the castle of Angers. You can see the fortifications there. There is a tower. This morning I'm walking outside and around the castle. Le château d'Angers! No, this site was occupied in turn by Neolithic man, Gauls and Romans, cradle of the Plantagenet dynasty. The palace of the Counts of Anjou was erected here in the 10th century. The fortress was constructed in 1230. And that is the map of the things we are here. I have just walked there outside and I am visiting inside this afternoon. Then, instead of going straight inside to visit it, I'm walking back to the accommodation for lunch. It may seem like a waste of time, but I didn't know if I could have lunch inside and how expensive that would be. The distances in the city are not huge, so that's not a problem, and that way I can have a warm meal inside and stay on a budget. Then I'm going back out again, this time to visit the castle itself. And it is now sunny. Okay, so I am here and I don't know with what I should start, maybe there. The entrance there. Apocalypse tapestry in there. The Apocalypse tapestry was commissioned around 1375 by Louis I, Duke of Anjou. The Apocalypse tapestry is really impressive and beautiful. The explanations in the following exhibit are also very interesting. It's big, it's really big. So basically the tapestry, I think it's all in this building there, this modern part. I find that the arrows pointing to things to visit are not always super visible. So that is La Chapelle, the chapel. So I kind of have to explore on my own and try to open doors to see if I can visit some parts. Why? Oh, it's open. Up and out. The castle and its fortifications are really beautiful. Walking here is really enjoyable. Vineyard on the fortifications. That's cute. There's construction work there, like right outside of the castle. And look, they're making the road so beautiful. So that is the restaurant. Aww. I was there actually a few minutes ago, but I had to go back instead of continuing because there was some like military men doing some training and going down the wall with ropes and such. So they had blocked the passage. Now I'm gonna continue that way. The view over the city and the river Main is also breathtaking. And as yesterday I learned more about the history of Angers, it helps me imagine and visualize what the city probably looked like in the Middle Ages. The castle of Angers really is a beautiful testimony from the past, and it's an absolute must-see of Angers. I think I've visited everything except this building, but I don't think we can enter it, actually. Alright, let's go. The entrance is there. At the chapel there. To the fortifications, I went that way. Then out, and then up again, and back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you, bye!